Password reset not sending email on Questrade Fix. You've clicked Forgot Password on Questrade, but the reset email never arrives. Don't panic, this is one of the most common login issues users face, and it's usually very easy to fix. First, check your spam or junk mail folder. Questrade's password reset emails often end up there, especially if your email provider uses strict filters. Look for messages from No Reply Questrade, CAM or Security Questrade, CAM. If you still can't find it, double check that you entered the correct email address, the one you actually used to create your Questrade account. Many users have multiple email addresses, and the reset link will only go to the one that's registered. Next, add a Questrade CAM to your safe sender list. This tells your email provider to trust emails from Questrade, preventing them from being blocked or delayed. If you've waited 10-15 minutes and the email still hasn't arrived, try using a different browser or device to request the reset again. Sometimes browser cache or app errors can stop the request from going through properly. Still no luck? Contact Questrade support directly by phone or chat through their official website. Their security team can verify your identity and manually reset your password. Most people get this wrong. They assume the email system is broken, but it's usually a filter or a typo blocking delivery. Once your access is restored, update your contact details and enable two-step authentication. That extra layer of protection makes account recovery fast and safe in the future. So don't worry, follow these quick steps and you'll have your Questrade account unlocked and ready to trade again in just a few minutes.